Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following. Suspension and steering systems. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was designed to offer a smooth and comfortable ride, despite its compact size and lightweight body. One of the key features that made this possible was its innovative suspension and steering system. The VW Beetle featured a unique suspension system that used torsion bars instead of traditional leaf springs. This design provided a smoother and more stable ride, even on bumpy roads. And, with its precise and responsive steering, the VW Beetle was a car that was easy to control and maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The steering system on the 1957 VW Beetle was designed to be light and precise, making it a joy to drive. Powertrain. Under the hood of this classic car was a simple yet powerful engine that defined the driving experience for millions of people. The engine of the 1957 VW Beetle was an air-cooled, flat-four design that produced an impressive 40 horsepower, up from 36 horsepower in previous years. Despite its modest output, the engine was smooth, reliable, and surprisingly efficient, making it the perfect choice for a car that was designed to be practical and affordable. One of the key advantages of the 1957 VW Beetle's design was its rear-mounted engine, which was coupled with a transaxle that combined the transmission and differential into one compact unit. This unique design allowed for improved weight distribution and better handling, making the car a joy to drive.